Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I am going to solve a no module named PyAudio error in Python programming. So we will solve this error together, but after this short intro. So now let's get started. So before solving this problem, I want to show you something in my website, which is the codinghub.herokuapp.com. Today I have added a new section in my website. As you can see, this is the website, which is blogs. As you can see, in this blog section, I am going to add some latest blogs related to technology, programming, and coding, and I will be using it as a reference in my videos. So let me go to this blog section. It is loading. So today I have added this first blog, which is how to fix no module named PyAudio error in Python. So today in this video I am going to take the reference of this blog and show you that how you can fix this problem. So to read the blog, you need to click on this drop down button and it will open the blog for you. So this is the blog. Let's first read some simple lines I have written, which are no module named PyAudio is a very common problem faced by Python programmers while using the speech recognition package and other packages like Python speech to text. Today in this short blog, you are going to understand that why this problem comes and how to fix it. So why this problem comes is that the versions of Python which exceed 3.6 do not support this PyAudio module. This module is not supported by Python 3.7 or higher than it. So that is the reason that you are getting this error, because nowadays the latest Python version, if I will see you, if I go to python.org, then you can see that the latest Python version today, when I am recording this video, is Python 3.9.5, I think. If I go to this downloads, then as you can see, this is Python 3.9.5, which is latest, and today most of the people will won't be using this Python 3.6. So that many people face this problem. So today in this video I am going to solve this problem of yours. So in this blog I have written two methods to solve this problem. Let's see the first method. The first method is installing Python 3.6 or lower. So the first solution to this problem is that you can visit the official website of Python, and from there you can install Python 3.6. To download Python 3.6, I have also provided the link. You can directly click here. You can click on this mouse wheel button or open link in your tab. You can do it like this, and then it will show you the option to download the exe file, and then you need to install this exe file. I'm not going to download this. And then you can download and install it successfully. One point you need to note while installing is that there is an add to path option, that checkbox. You need to check it so that it adds Python interpreter and pip into your environment variables. So the first method is that you can install Python 3.6 or any lower version, uh, and which I don't recommend doing, because it's better to use the latest version of Python always. So we will be focusing on the second method in this video. So the second method is installing using pipwin. So in this method you need to download another package called pipwin by executing the following command. So first of all, I want to open my terminal, which is Windows PowerShell. I will right click on the start button and click on the open PowerShell window, and it will open a PowerShell window. It will take some time on the computer because my computer is a bit slow. You need to install this package. There are two PowerShells. So you need to install this pipwin package in order to install PyAudio first. So you can install this package successfully. I think my PowerShell window is opening, and in this video I am also going to show you a third method which is related to the second method. So my PowerShell window is still opening, and this is the Python official website. You can also download any version of Python by going to downloads, then all releases, and then you need to select your version in this table, and you can select the version and you can download and install any version. All the versions are present here from the beginning of Python. This is Python 2, as you can see. So these are some sponsors, and this is the official website of Python, python.org. So my Windows PowerShell is still opening. Now it has opened, and now I'm going to show you that what is the first I will open a Python interpreter by writing Python, and it will open REPL for me, which is, yes, as you can see. And as you can see, I have also installed Python 3.9.5, which is the latest version. So if I import my module here, like import PyAudio, and hit the enter button, then as you can see, this is the error, which is module not found error, no module named PyAudio. So now I am going to fix this problem. If I simply do pip install PyAudio, which we do in most of the packages, I do pip install PyAudio, then there will be an error. You can see it. It will take some time to load. So let me wait for the error to come. I think that the error will surely come because this is a very common error. And actually, this video I am going to add in a new playlist, which is solving most common Python errors. As you can see, it has started downloading PyAudio. In that playlist, what I am going to do is that I am going to post all the videos related to Python errors which I face in my day-to-day life. And as you can see, it started downloading PyAudio, but at the end it showed this error, some big error. So I have never read this error, and I recommend you not reading this error. So what we're going to do is that we're going to fix this error. So I will clear my console. So now in this console, first I'm going to install pip install pipwin. I'm not going to use this command. I'm going to copy it from here. I have given a copy button to you, and if I run it, then it will install pipwin in my system. I have already installed pipwin, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. And if you haven't installed pipwin, then it will install pipwin for you. Now the second command which you need to execute is pipwin install PyAudio. I have also written here. After executing this command, you need to execute another command which will successfully install PyAudio in your system. The next command is also given below. This is the command. I will copy it, and I will paste it, Control V, and I will hit the enter button. And now it will install PyAudio in my system. So it also takes some time because it connects to the internet. And another thing which I want to tell you, that while executing this command, please make sure that you are connected to the internet, because it will take the wheel file from this URL, as you can see, which is https download dot this one. Now it has taken the file, and it will install my wheel file. I am also going to show you the third method which is related to this. It will take some time to install my PyAudio, so I am waiting for the installation to take place. If you are having some other error while installing these modules or anything, then you can also contact me by going to this contact us page, and I will surely come back to you very soon in email, of course. This is the contact page which is opening, and now my PyAudio is still here. So you can fill up your credentials here, and then you can submit this page, or you can also directly contact me in this email ID. So this is the website of our YouTube channel. So which we have a YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel. If you haven't till yet, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, because there are some exciting content still to come. It's opening. Open this URL. So it's still downloading. I think it will take some time to download. I don't know why it is taking so much time. Till then I am showing you my YouTube channel. I will close this, and my internet is also a little bit slow today. So this is our website. I have created till now I think 4 playlists. Yeah, these are the 4 playlists in this latest tech videos, technology related video comes. This is the complete Python course which is going on. You can enroll yourself in this course and start watching the videos from the beginning. This is a complete completely free course with notes and source code, everything. Is the channel? Yeah, it is, and these are some Python practice projects. If you have already learned Python, then you can solve this project. Some amazing projects are given below uh, in this playlist. And another one is, which is this hosting for free. In this playlist I'm going to add methods in which you can host your websites for free. I'm not going to discuss about that. It's taking a lot of time to install my PyAudio, so after the installation completes I will come back. These are the videos. Till yet there are 15 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed till yet, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So let me wait for this to complete. I can stop this process once by doing Control C, I think, and now if I again run it, I think it will take some time to download. So now as you can see, this is what I wanted to tell you. When your internet connection is a bit slow, now as you can see here my internet connection is a bit slow. So when it is a bit slow, what it does is that it throws an error, and the reason for that is when it is fetching the wheel file from the internet, due to poor internet connection, the connection between my website is breaking, and that's why it is throwing the error. So now what you're gonna do is that to fix this problem, I'm directly going to install the wheel file, and then I'm going to install that wheel file using pip. So I'm going to show you that. So now what you need to do is that you need to visit Google Chrome, and then you need to write unofficial Python binaries. There is a website. This is the website, as you can see, unofficial Python binaries. In this website you can get the wheel file of all the packages of Python. So here I will do Control F and find PyAudio. It is searching for PyAudio, and here as you can see this is PyAudio. I need to go to this website, and now in this here as you can see all the versions and all the wheel files are specified. Now there is a confusion that which wheel file do I need to install. So to know that, what you need to do is that you need to go back to your PowerShell. I am going scrolling up, and where I had written, so this is where I executed my command pip will install PyAudio, and here in this place as you can see this is the URL, and this is the wheel file which I need to install, which is PyAudio 0.2.11 cp39 cp39 win32.wheel. So I need to install this file. I need to install this file. You need to install the file which is showing in your terminal. Sometimes if your internet connection is good, then your work will be done by executing this command, but if it is not working, then you need to follow this process. So I will download this wheel file 0.2.11 which is 0.cp39. This is the file 0.2.11 cp39 cp39 win32.wheel. So I need to click on this file, and I need to save this file. So it will ask me to download this file. Yes, so yeah, as you can see I will download it, my downloads folder. I will save it here, and there is already a file because I had already downloaded it someday. So I will replace it. I will click on yes, and now it will install this wheel file. And as you can see it has installed this wheel file. Now what I need to do is that I need to go to that directory where this wheel file is stored. So now I will here click show in folder, and it will open that directory where this file is stored. This is the directory downloads, and this is the file. I will stop this. I will copy this path, and now I will cd to this path. I will change my directory from C users to, I will first clear the console. Now I will write cd. I will paste the path of the directory, and then I will hit the enter button, and it will take me to this directory. Now if I do ls here, then I can see all the files present inside. So here somewhere it might be present, and as you can see this is the file PyAudio 0.2.11 cp39. I need to install this file. So for that, what I need to do is that I need to do pip install and then PyAudio and P capital Y, and now I will hit this tab and it will autocomplete PyAudio.wheel, not this file. Again, if I hit tab, then it will take this file, which is the actual file. So I need to remove this dot and backslash here like this, and now if I hit enter, then it will start installing my PyAudio. So as you can see, it has started processing PyAudio 0.2.11, installing collected packages, and as you can see, now it is showing successfully installed PyAudio this version. And now your error is solved and you have downloaded PyAudio successfully in your system. If you want to check it, then I will open a Python interpreter again. If I import PyAudio now, then it is successfully importing my PyAudio, and your error is solved. If you are still having some error, then you can contact me in this contact page. So do go through this blog post. So this is what I wanted to do in this video. I wanted to solve your PyAudio error, and some more blogs related to programming will be coming up here. So this is what we needed to discuss in this video, and we have discussed everything we needed to discuss in this video. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.